Alliance had their first meeting after the election results were out. Around 33 leaders were present in the India Alliance meeting, and this time all the 28 parties who are part of the India Alliance were here present in attendance. Now, after the meeting, a resolution has, while briefing the media, Mallikarjun Kharge has said that a resolution has in fact been passed by the India Alliance, which is thanking for the mandate, thanking the people for giving these many numbers to India Alliance. Now, our sources have in fact also said that the India Alliance is going to sit in the opposition. There is not going to be an attempt that will be made by the India Alliance to stake claim to form the government. Now, this decision was a unanimous decision. None of the party leaders who were present in the alliance meeting said that there should be an attempt to form the government. All of them agreed that right now the numbers are not in favor, and it should in fact be better that if they are in fact strong opposition on the floor of the house. Apart from that, the sources also suggest that doing a no confidence motion is something that is not completely ruled out by the India Alliance in coming future. If there are any sort of efforts or any sort of situation where the NDA government, there is crack within the NDA government, that will be the right opportunity and right time for the India Alliance to attack the government and form their own government. So right now what we are getting to know from the meeting is that no attempt going to be made by the India Alliance to form the government. They will be sitting in the opposition and will be attacking the government attacking the BJP government over any sort of bills that they will be coming up with. So that is the decision that has been taken by the India Alliance leaders today at 10 Rajaji Marg.